Hi guys! Welcome back to Caramia's Corner. As requested by a handful of my wonderful subbies, I have a short tutorial and process video for you going to show you how to make the base of this Valentine's folder flipbook here. And the rest of the video will show you a process video of how I complete this flipbook. Today it's going to be a spring themed flipbook, and I'll be using two of these paper pads. One is from DCWV Collage Art and Authentique Refresh paper pad kit. I've cut the pattern paper to the size of the folder flipbook, and you notice there is no tab. I will show you why and how that connects to our flipbook here. But first, wanted to show you I have scored at 5.5 inches over here and at the 6-inch mark. That gives us a 1/2 inch gusset that provides a spine for our flipbook and more space if we decide to put more goodies in it. The nice thing about this pattern paper is it's double-sided. Since this will not attach to the folder, the entire folder, I won't have to worry about matting the other side of this paper. I can actually use this pattern. So I'll show you that in just a sec. So if you see the Valentine's flipbook here, so we have our cover, and this actual cover actually extends to the back. So that's what's going to happen with this one. It doesn't actually attach to our tab side of our folder. It's a separate page. So I'll show you how to do that. I went ahead and put my scoring tape on the cover of our flipbook. And I've also decided for closure, I want to attach a ribbon. So I've put an inch-long double-side tape. Here's a final look at our completed spring flipbook using the file folder format that I used for this Valentine's flipbook. So let's have a look through. On the cover, I layered it with some doily pattern paper and put some paper flowers as well. For our closure, I used some ribbons. Let's have a look inside. I matted the folder with the DCW Art Collage paper. I love it. It's textured. Love the mixed media theme to it. And then for the goodies, I thought I'd package them differently this time. I've had these file tabs that I got from Target, and I thought I'd use it one day differently. Thought I'd use it in this flipbook. It would be perfect for these mini file folders. I had bought a Ranger tag kit that also came with these mini file folders. So what I did was trace it on the pattern paper and cut it out, and so we have these file folders. It's so cute. You can package some stickers and little cutouts. Look at this cute little paper clip. Looks like a little raindrop. And then this other folder has some little tags, mini tags, using also stickers from the same collection, from the Refresh collection from Authentique. And I love these. These are super cute. So it's a different way to package your goodies, and whoever receives it can use these mini file folders as well. So our next one, it's a little flip. We have a tag and it says, there's a journal card. I love this. It says no rain, no rainbow. There's our cute little paper clip. On the other side of it, I love this vintage looking picture of the children in the rain. And this textured backdrop here again is from the same collage art stack from DCWV. And just like our Valentine's flipbook, we have a little envelope or little container there so to hold some goodies. So I have an envelope here. Use some of the stickers from the collection, and then you can put some journal cards in there. You flip it over, we have another cute little journal card here, some stickers, a little pocket there. And then over here, I thought I'd add some dimensions, so I used some foam stickies on the back of these tags. And then we have a cute pocket here holding some journal cards. Look how cute these little cutouts are. And then we have a vellum pocket here, or envelope that holds some flake stickers, some beautiful flake stickers that I got from Japantown while I was in the city. And then over here from my tab, if you notice, I matted it with a different color. I wasn't really satisfied with the way I had cut it out, so what I did was just cut to the length and then use my edge punches to have an even look. And then here we have a little tag or sticker that says love this season. So here's our final page. It says flowers are always a good idea. And it says live life in full bloom. I love this picture of this girl going for the flowers. And then in here we have a pretty big pocket so you can stuff it with a bunch of stuff. I have a giant tag here. And I mixed two of the paper collections together. In the back we have a little journal card that says hello spring. Love this. And then the back of the flipbook, I decided to mat it. It felt really flimsy, so to strengthen it I decided to use the DCWV paper stack. It was to make it sturdier. Hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial and process video and found some inspiration as well. I'd love to see your creations. Tag me at Caramia's Corner on Instagram. Thanks again for watching Caramia's Corner. See you next time.